use SLS Cost Manager for cloud cost monitoring and optimization. As companies deepen their use of cloud services, the extensive variety of cloud product usage and surging data volumes pose challenges to cost control in cloud operations. Alibaba Cloud Observability Cost Manager, a specialized cost analysis tool designed for cloud users, automatically pulls billing data in real time from the Alibaba Cloud Billing Center, storing, analyzing, and visually presenting this data. It offers structured cost reports, feature cost predictions, and timely anomaly alerts, assisting users in optimizing cloud spending and improving resource utilization efficiency. In the log service console's business analysis page, users can find the entrance to the cost manager, both in labeling the cost manager function and utilizing the required projects, as well as external storage instances like LTS are free of charge. Cost Manager incorporates a variety of built-in dashboards. Taking the log service bill self-service analysis as an example, users can view expenses yesterday, expenses this month, and variation trend for a specific region directly on the dashboard. Users can also clearly observe the consumption of cloud resources for each functional module, such as data transformation, storage space usage, indexing traffic, and read or write traffic. Subsequently, the dashboard visually represents the expenses trends for individual items and lists the detailed usage breakdown of the top 10 projects. Click on Overview on the left side displays comprehensive consumption details, including the maximum daily expenses and variation trend. Furthermore, it offers daily monitoring of expenses and the forecast of expenses for the next 3 months. By clicking Details in the left menu, users gain access to detailed information about discounted expenses, cloud product expense percentage, and more. Besides the built-in dashboards, users can customize their own dashboards by clicking Custom Dashboards, tailoring them according to their business needs to fulfill expenses analysis requirements. In the Custom Analysis section, default contents are provided, which fetch data from external tables. Users can also write different contents based on their business needs to query corresponding expenses. Additionally, users can manage alerts in the Alert page on the left. Along with default alert rules, users can save custom analysis as alert monitoring rule. This summarizes the operation demonstration of the log service Cost Manager console.